Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore a fundamental yet powerful feature: concatenating cells and adding various separators. Whether you're merging names, dates, or any other type of text, this technique will help you create clean, readable text strings from multiple cells. We'll begin with the concatenate function, which is a built-in Excel function specifically designed for merging text from different cells. This function is versatile and can be used with different types of separators to suit your needs. To start, let's look at how to concatenate words with a space as the separator. This is a common practice when you're combining words or names. In cell C1, enter the formula equals concatenate A1, B1, where A1 and B1 are the cells containing the words you want to merge. After entering the formula, press enter to see the concatenated result. For instance, hello and world will merge to form hello world. To apply this to subsequent rows, simply copy cell C1 and paste it into C2, and so on. Next, we'll see how to concatenate text with a dot separator, which is often used when combining first and last names. In cell C2, use the formula equals concatenate A2 dot B2 to merge John and Snow into John.Snow. Dashes are another common separator, particularly useful for connecting dates or other sequences. To concatenate cells with a dash, use the formula equals concatenate A2 dash B2, which will join 2023-03 and 15 into 2023-03-15. If you're working with a simple combination and prefer not to use the concatenate function, you can achieve the same result using the ampersand symbol, and. In cell E1, type equals A1 and B1 and C1 and D1. To concatenate the contents of cells A1 to D1 with spaces in between. It's important to note that when working with dates or custom separators, you may need to adjust the cell format to text to ensure that the concatenated result displays correctly and doesn't get misinterpreted by Excel. Congratulations! You've learned various methods to concatenate cells in Excel and how to insert different separators to create meaningful text strings. These techniques will streamline your data presentation and make your spreadsheets more polished and professional. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice these methods to enhance your Excel skills and improve your data manipulation capabilities. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.